if you want to experience 100% return on investment in your land property within 1 year, for instance, you acquired a land property for 2 million naira now in this month of January, and by the end of the year, the value of the land property will appreciate to 4 million naira. That means you have made extra 2 million naira from the property. So if you want to experience this type of return on investment within 1 year in your land property, there is an opportunity for you today in Glory Heights Estate of Ogbaku. Glory Heights Estate is a newly launched estate. It was launched on December 20th, 2023. It has been cleared and parcellated. That means if you acquire this instant allocation, right? Then do you know why you are guaranteed of 100% return investment within 1 year? The estates behind Glory Heights Estate are selling for 5 million naira and above, while Glory Heights is selling for 2.5 million naira now as a promo price. Okay, you can see why you are guaranteed of 100% return on investment within 1 year. So if you acquire this property now, within the end of the year, there is no way it will not get to 5 million naira and above. Okay, you can see it's an open business. And remember, I always tell you the best time to acquire a land property in an estate, if you want to enjoy all the return on investment, is to acquire it when it is still new and fresh. And this is the time. Don't worry, I will show you how this estate looks like. I've also made a video where I drove from Assumpta Cathedral to this estate. So if you have not watched it in my previous videos, I will put the description below this video so that you can click, watch, and see the access road and environment from Assumpta Cathedral Owerri to this particular estate. Okay, so right here we are in Glory Heights Estate Ogbaku. It's a newly launched estate which is about 3 minutes drive from here to the Owerri-Onitsha Express Road. Don't worry, I will show you the distance from here to the road as we are going. Okay, so this estate is managed by Alpha Nobis Real Estate Company. It's an indigenous real estate company here in Owerri, Imo State, and it's a company that you can trust when it comes to real estate investment. Okay, as you can see, their pattern of management is that before they start selling a land property as an estate, they must clear the place and parcellate. As you can see, this place has been all cleared and parcellated. So that means if you acquire, you will be allocated instantly. Look at the size of the plots right here, 465 square meters, and the title is Irrevocable Power of Attorney and Survey Plan. Okay, and it's selling for 2.5 million naira. The distance from here to Assumpta is about 15 minutes drive. Okay, you see, this price now is a promo price. Before this week runs out, it's likely that the price will appreciate to 3.5 million naira and above, because the neighboring estates here are selling for 5.3 million naira and 7 million naira and above. So the best time for an investor is at this particular early stage where the company acquires and launches, because it's at the promo price. You see, for the fact that the neighboring estates here are selling for 5.3 million naira and 7 million naira and above, this particular company will also make everything possible to get at that particular value. Okay, firstly, this place has been cleared and parcellated, right? Good. Again, the company will start putting up the perimeter fencing. You know, all these things adds value to the estate. Okay, the company would even want it done immediately so that it will be to their own benefit. So as an earlier investor, it's a very good opportunity for you to acquire it when it is still new and fresh, that is now, so that as this thing keeps appreciating, you will also be enjoying your return on investment. Okay, the truth is this: by this time, that's in a year's time, this property will be selling for more than 5 million naira. Mark my words somewhere. Okay, because I mean, it has potentials already to appreciate, and beside it, the estates around here are selling for 5 million naira and above. Okay, so WhatsApp or call us now on 08060766340 for free site inspection, for more inquiries, and to apply your plot or plots of land right here in Glory Heights Estate Ogbaku. As we are driving out now, I will show you the environment and access road from this estate to Owerri-Onitsha Express Road so that you can see for yourself. This particular estate behind Glory Height is called Beautiful Garden Estate and is managed by Affable Homes. This is their phase 2, the extension of the phase 1, okay? This is also managed by Affable Homes Limited. This is the phase 1 of the estate. I showed you the phase 2. Okay, this particular one is selling for 7 million naira and above. So with all these potentials around here, you can see the ongoing projects along the access road. Before we get to the third road, you can see that Glory Height Estate is a very good business investment opportunity, more especially at this early stage. Remember, this video is coming from Irrevocable Global Limited. I am Justin Nwadike, the Managing Director, Irrevocable Global Limited, your favorite real estate consultant right here in Owerri, Imo State. If you like watching property videos like this in Owerri, educative videos regarding real estate in Owerri, Imo State, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share so that when next we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed, okay? Have a lovely day. I will see you again and bye for now.